Hey, how's it going? I'm Austin. I'm a foreman here at Master Services. Today I'm going to be showing you step by step how we waterproof this amusement park in Sevier County. So the first thing we did was we covered up as much of the area that we're working at as possible with plastic, painter's tape, everything that we can use to try to contain the dust as much as possible to the area we're working. Here at Master Services, we take every precaution we can to try to mitigate the dust, the noise, everything we can to help it be a better experience for everyone involved. So after we jackhammer out a trench around the perimeter of the wall, the next step is cleaning out the trench. So after we've got the trench cleaned out, the next step is putting up our CleanSpace wall system, which is really just a vapor barrier for the wall to help protect the inside of the interior wall. So after the CleanSpace wall system, the next step is installing the WaterGuard. So whenever we install our WaterGuard, we fill it with gravel. That way it helps prevent any clogging, mud, or any sand from getting into the actual system. So that way we try to keep the water as clean as possible. So whenever we do put in our WaterGuard system, we have a level on it, and we make sure that it flows all the way to the sump pump, which will be in the low spot. Once the WaterGuard flows into the pump and the water hits the float switch, then it will be pumped away from the foundation. So after we have mitigated all of the water outside and away from the theater, the next thing we're going to do is concrete over top of the WaterGuard. So whenever we concrete over top of the WaterGuard, we're always trying to make it as flush and level with the existing concrete as possible. This prevents tripping hazards, cracking in the concrete, and moisture coming through the concrete. So after we have finally finished concreting, the next thing we do is start cleaning and sweeping. Our goal at Master Services is to always leave the room cleaner than what we had found it. So thanks for tuning in. I'm Austin. I'll see you next time.